Hey everyone! If you're interested in the Aurzen Boom Mini Google TV Movie Projector with the included 120-inch projector screen bundle, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Big screen entertainment no longer requires a bulky television or a permanent home theater setup. Compact projectors have become incredibly capable, and the Aurzen Boom Mini is built to deliver a cinematic viewing experience while remaining portable enough to fit into almost any lifestyle. Whether you're relaxing at home, hosting a movie night, or setting up an outdoor viewing session, this projector is designed to make every experience feel larger than life. One of the biggest advantages of this package is the included 120-inch projection screen. Instead of spending extra time searching for the right screen, everything comes together in one bundle, making setup much easier. The dedicated screen helps produce a cleaner image with improved brightness, better color consistency, and a more immersive viewing experience than projecting onto a standard wall. The built-in Google TV operating system is another standout feature. Since everything is integrated into the projector itself, you can access your favorite streaming platforms without connecting additional hardware. The interface is clean, responsive, and simple to navigate, allowing you to browse movies, TV series, documentaries, live content, and YouTube with ease. Google Assistant voice control makes searching even more convenient. Simply press the microphone button on the remote and speak naturally to locate your favorite movies, shows, or videos without manually typing every title. When it comes to picture quality, the projector delivers sharp, full HD visuals with impressive clarity and vibrant colors. Fine details remain visible, while contrast helps scenes appear more dynamic and realistic. Whether you're enjoying action films, animated movies, sports broadcasts, or educational content, the viewing experience feels engaging from start to finish. Automatic focus and intelligent keystone correction remove much of the hassle traditionally associated with projector setup. Instead of spending valuable time making manual adjustments, the projector automatically aligns and sharpens the image, allowing you to begin watching in just a few moments. Its compact size makes it extremely easy to carry from one location to another. You can use it in your living room, bedroom, office, backyard, or even while traveling. The lightweight design offers excellent flexibility for users who don't want a permanently installed entertainment system. Connectivity options provide plenty of versatility. HDMI ports make it easy to connect gaming consoles, laptops, media players, and additional devices. USB connectivity allows compatible media playback directly from storage devices, while wireless screen mirroring enables quick sharing from supported smartphones and tablets. Gaming becomes much more immersive on a large projected display. Racing games feel faster, sports games become more exciting, and adventure titles offer a cinematic experience that simply isn't possible on smaller displays. The generous screen size adds an entirely different level of enjoyment. Despite its portable design, the built-in speakers produce clear and balanced sound for everyday viewing. Dialogue remains easy to understand, while Bluetooth connectivity gives you the flexibility to pair compatible wireless speakers or soundbars whenever you want even richer audio performance. Google TV also recommends new content based on your viewing preferences, making it easier to discover movies and series you might otherwise overlook. This personalized experience adds even more convenience during everyday use. The projector features a clean and modern appearance that fits comfortably into almost any environment. It doesn't require a complicated installation or large entertainment cabinet, making it an excellent option for people who value both simplicity and functionality. Whether you're enjoying family movie nights, watching championship games, streaming online content, playing games with friends, attending virtual classes, or delivering presentations, this projector adapts to a wide variety of situations without requiring complicated setup procedures. Combining full HD picture quality, built-in Google TV, automatic image adjustment, wireless connectivity, portable construction, voice control, and the included 120-inch projection screen creates a complete entertainment solution that's suitable for both casual viewers and home theater enthusiasts. Overall, the Aurzen Boom Mini Google TV Movie Projector successfully delivers portability, convenience, smart features, and impressive visual performance in one compact package. If you're searching for an easy way to enjoy a truly cinematic viewing experience almost anywhere, this projector offers an excellent combination of practicality and entertainment. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews of the latest projectors, smart gadgets, and home entertainment technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.